Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant push notifications for messages on LinkedIn while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable push notifications for messages, so you can enjoy a quieter, more focused LinkedIn experience. First, open your preferred browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control everything from your privacy to your notification preferences. Now on the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications. This is where you manage what types of alerts LinkedIn sends you. You'll notice that notifications are organized by category, making it easy to find exactly what you want to adjust. Scroll through the categories and find Messaging. Click on it to expand the options related to messages. Here, you'll see different types of notifications you can manage, including push notifications, email notifications, and in-app alerts. Locate the section labeled Messages. Next to push notifications, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply click the toggle to turn push notifications off for messages. When the toggle is off, LinkedIn will stop sending message alerts as push notifications to your device. But you'll still be able to see new messages when you check LinkedIn directly. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled push notifications for messages on LinkedIn using your PC. You can repeat this process for any other notification categories you'd like to manage, giving you full control over what pops up and when. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make your LinkedIn experience even better.